After 60, most people think losing muscle is just part of aging, that weakness, fatigue, and shrinking strength are inevitable. But what if I told you that science now proves it's not only possible to stop muscle loss, it can actually be reversed? There's one powerful superfood that helps rebuild lean muscle naturally, without hours in the gym or expensive supplements. This is the same nutrient-packed food many longevity experts and geriatric doctors recommend for maintaining strength, stability, and vitality well into your later years. Muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, doesn't just make you feel weaker, it affects your balance, your metabolism, and even your energy levels. But here's the good news. Your body can still build and repair muscle at any age, as long as you give it the right fuel. This superfood works at the cellular level, delivering the essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild muscle fibers and restore strength. It helps improve recovery, reduces inflammation, and supports bone density, giving you back the confidence to move freely and live independently. Imagine waking up feeling stronger, steadier, and more energized, being able to walk faster, climb stairs easily, or carry groceries without fatigue. That's what this superfood can do when you make it part of your daily routine. The best part, it's simple, affordable, and delicious. Aging doesn't have to mean slowing down. Your muscles are waiting to be nourished, and this one food could be the turning point that helps you feel decades younger from the inside out. As the body ages, one of the most noticeable changes is the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength, a condition known as sarcopenia. It usually begins quietly around the age of 40 and becomes more apparent after 60, leading to weakness, slower movement, and reduced stamina. Many people assume this decline is irreversible, but research shows that with the right nutrition, muscle loss can actually be slowed, stopped, and even reversed. The key lies in understanding how muscles respond to the nutrients we consume. Muscles need protein and specific amino acids to repair and grow, but as we age, the body becomes less efficient at using these nutrients. This means older adults need not just more protein, but the right kind, easily digestible and rich in essential amino acids like leucine, which triggers muscle protein synthesis. Targeted nutrition focuses on providing the exact nutrients that aging muscles need to rebuild themselves. Foods rich in high-quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and certain vitamins and minerals help restore muscle tissue and improve strength. These nutrients reduce inflammation, improve metabolism, and enhance the body's ability to repair damaged muscle fibers. Regular intake of such foods provides the building blocks muscles require to maintain mass and function. Studies have shown that even seniors who were previously sedentary can regain lost muscle when they combine adequate protein intake with light physical activity such as walking or resistance bands. It's not just about increasing protein, it's about timing and absorption. Consuming protein-rich foods evenly throughout the day, especially after light activity or before bed, maximizes muscle repair and growth. Pairing these foods with healthy fats and antioxidants also supports better digestion and nutrient uptake. This approach creates a steady environment for muscle recovery. Targeted nutrition empowers seniors to take control of their strength, mobility, and energy levels without depending solely on exercise or supplements. When the body receives what it needs, it responds no matter the age. Muscle loss after 60 is not a life sentence. It's a condition that can be improved through mindful eating and consistent nourishment, allowing people to stay active, capable, and strong well into their later years. The human body constantly breaks down and rebuilds muscle tissue, but after the age of 60, the rebuilding process slows and the balance begins to tilt toward loss instead of gain. This is where the right kind of superfood can make a powerful difference. The body needs amino acids, the building blocks of protein, to create new muscle fibers, and this particular superfood provides them in a form that is easily absorbed and efficiently used. When consumed regularly, it activates a process called muscle protein synthesis, which is how the body repairs and strengthens muscles after daily wear and tear. Unlike synthetic supplements or protein powders that the body may struggle to utilize, this food delivers natural, bioavailable nutrients that support continuous muscle renewal. It doesn't just feed the muscles, it stimulates the very mechanisms that tell the body to start rebuilding them. This process is controlled by cellular signals that become less responsive with age, but certain nutrients can reactivate them. The amino acid leucine, for example, plays a critical role in signaling muscle cells to start repair and growth, and this superfood is rich in it. It also provides vitamins and minerals that support enzyme activity and energy production, ensuring that every muscle contraction and repair cycle runs efficiently. Because it's a whole food, it contains natural cofactors that enhance absorption and make the nutrients more effective. Regular intake creates a steady supply of muscle-building materials, reducing breakdown and improving recovery after even light physical activity. Over time, this steady stimulation of muscle protein synthesis helps restore lost mass and strength, especially when paired with simple movements or stretches. Beyond muscle repair, the same nutrients also reduce inflammation in the body, which can otherwise slow recovery and contribute to fatigue. By calming inflammation and providing the raw materials for repair, this superfood helps muscles recover faster and stay stronger. The result is greater endurance, improved balance, and better posture, all critical for independence in older adults. What makes it remarkable is that the effect happens naturally, without intense workouts or strict routines. It supports the body's own healing intelligence, helping it rebuild from within and stay strong through the natural power of nourishment. As the body ages, it becomes more vulnerable to inflammation and nutrient deficiencies that slowly weaken muscle tissue. The muscles that once recovered quickly after activity now take longer to heal, and over time, this contributes to loss of mass, strength, and endurance. This is why eating foods rich in amino acids, vitamins, and anti-inflammatory compounds becomes crucial for protecting and rebuilding muscle. Amino acids are the foundation of every muscle fiber, and when supplied through high-quality protein sources, they repair microscopic tears in muscle tissue that occur naturally from daily movement. Essential amino acids like leucine, isoleucine, and valine stimulate protein synthesis, helping the body produce new muscle cells even in older age. When combined with the right vitamins and minerals, these nutrients enhance cell regeneration and maintain the elasticity and resilience of muscle fibers, keeping them strong and functional. Vitamins such as D, B12, and E play vital roles in this process. Vitamin D supports calcium absorption, which is important for muscle contraction and bone strength. Vitamin B12 helps in energy production and nerve function, ensuring signals between the brain and muscles remain sharp. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, reducing oxidative stress that can damage muscle cells. These vitamins work together to maintain healthy muscle metabolism, allowing the body to perform daily tasks with ease. When seniors consume foods naturally rich in these nutrients, they not only slow muscle breakdown, but also improve coordination, balance, and overall vitality. Anti-inflammatory compounds such as omega-3 fatty acids and plant polyphenols further protect muscle tissue from age-related deterioration. Chronic inflammation is one of the main reasons older adults experience stiffness, pain, and weakness. Omega-3 seconds found in fatty fish, nuts, and seeds reduce inflammation at the cellular level, improving blood flow and delivering oxygen to working muscles. Polyphenols found in foods like berries, green tea, and turmeric fight oxidative damage, helping muscles recover faster and stay energized. This combination of amino acids, vitamins, and anti-inflammatory nutrients creates a powerful shield around the body's muscle system, helping seniors stay active, strong, and independent. Through consistent nourishment, the body's natural ability to repair and rebuild muscle can thrive, even as the years go by. As the body grows older, it naturally begins to lose muscle mass, flexibility, and strength, making once simple movements like climbing, stairs, lifting objects, or even standing up from a chair more challenging. This gradual decline affects mobility, balance, and confidence, often leading to reduced independence. However, maintaining strength and mobility doesn't require intense workouts or heavy training. The key lies in consistent, gentle movement paired with proper nutrition that supports muscle repair and joint health. Activities such as light stretching, slow squats, gentle resistance exercises with bands, or even short walks help keep the body active without causing strain. These low-impact movements activate stabilizing muscles, improve coordination, and enhance blood circulation, which brings oxygen and nutrients to the tissues that need them most. With regular practice, the muscles regain tone, the joints stay lubricated, and the body feels lighter and more stable. Nutrition plays a vital role in this process as well. Foods rich in protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants provide the building blocks for strong muscles and healthy joints. When seniors include such foods daily, their bodies respond by preserving strength and energy, allowing them to move more freely. The goal isn't to build large muscles, but to maintain functional strength, the kind that helps you carry groceries, get out of bed easily, or walk without fatigue. This combination of light exercise and proper nourishment promotes muscle endurance and supports joint flexibility, two key factors in sustaining mobility through later years. Maintaining independence is deeply tied to physical ability. When the body feels strong, movement feels natural, and energy remains steady throughout the day. Even simple daily habits like standing more often, practicing balance exercises, or stretching before bed can keep the muscles and joints active. The body responds to consistency, not intensity, so a few minutes of mindful movement each day can lead to remarkable improvements over time. Strength and mobility support not only physical independence, but also emotional well-being, boosting confidence, and overall quality of life. Through gentle, regular activity and nutrient-rich eating, seniors can protect their strength, maintain freedom of movement, and continue living with vitality and self-reliance at any age.